Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down and removing all power. Make sure the PSU is off and unplugged because you cannot safely work energized. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap or by touching the case. This prevents damage to delicate components. Next, inspect the case interior. Identify the GPU's PCIe slot, the rear bracket screws, and the small plastic retention latch on the slot. Do not remove screws yet. Plan your hand placement, so you now remove the screws securing the GPU's rear bracket to the case, using a steady, magnetic or padded screwdriver to avoid slips. Once screws are out, place one hand on the card near the power connector and the other supporting the opposite end. This keeps the PCB from flexing. Then, depress the PCIe slot retention latch, usually a small plastic clip, and, while holding the latch open, pull the card straight out parallel to the slot. Do not rock or twist the module. You finish by placing the removed GPU on an anti-static mat or sealed bag. Protect fan blades and exposed contacts to avoid damage. If you removed it permanently, reinstall the case bracket screw to keep things tidy and label cables so reassembly is foolproof. If the card won't seat or the latch won't engage, stop and inspect the slot for debris. Check for bent pins or misaligned standoffs, and try reseating gently. Forcing it risks severe hardware damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.